Hindi yata yan yung kakantahin ko. Mamaya pa. Good afternoon, everybody. The truth is, I was not invited to attend here. So, napadaan lang ako, tinanong ko kung ano yung event dito. So, pumasok na din ako at nakita ko si Sir Toby, kaya nandito ako ngayon. Kaya medyo nagtatampo ko ng konti. Bibiro lang, no? Kasi events like this, akala ko I would be invited not to speak but to give a special number. Hindi nyo na itatanong, VP Hill, I was a tenor once. You want a sample? Wag na, baka masira pa mga araw natin. No, but seriously, I'm very happy to welcome you all in this program. Binanggit na ni VP Hill yung maraming mga pag-congratulate sa mga estudyante. You know, I've always looked at academics as a combination of both. Kasi I'm the VP for academics. Si VP Hill is for student affairs. Nakikita ko yung collegiate life, hindi magiging kompleto kung isa lang. Kung puro ACADS, medyo boring yon. At the same time naman, kung puro activities, hindi rin naman po pwede. So, maganda na tignan natin yung existence natin bilang college students as holistic, no? Combination ng both mga activities that are academic in nature and those that are, I don't know the terminology that we use now, but maybe it's more appropriately called as co-curricular activities. And it's always nice to listen and witness the college camaraderie here. So ano yung pinakamalakas na humiyaw kanina? CGPP, nandyan yung din ninyo. Oh, nandyan yun. Oh, nursing daw. Andyan din yung din ninyo. Cal, parang hindi ko pa nakita si Dean Acel. I'm also a dean. I'm the dean of the College of Continuing Advanced and Professional Studies. Ilan nyo ako ilan ang representative dito? Ako lang. Ganun ka-active yun. Dahil pagpasensyahan nyo na because they're graduate students and they're all working. Malamang doon yung iba mga, kung hindi nyo mga tito or tita, mga nanay at tatay na ninyo. So mga panggurang yung kolehiyo namin. Kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na. At any rate, it's the season of Christmas. I know everybody's happy. We're also in a good mood. Kaya naka-jacket ako pero ang tignan nyo yung polo ko. Oh. Punong-puno ng bulaklak. I think it's also uplifting. And I'd like to congratulate the organizers. But more importantly, kaya ako talaga narito, to be honest with you, because I really love music. And my friends and the other deans know that. Kaya ako I'm interested to find out how you have prepared for this event. Si Sir Toby, maliit pa lang ako, kumakanta na yan. Di ba, VP Hill? Maliit pa lang din si VP Hill, kumakanta na yan si Sir Toby. Huwag nyo nang tanungin ang edad niya. So, isa siyang haligit institusyon ng University of Makati. At wala pang University of Makati, siya na si Professor Angelito Vargas. So, maraming salamat everybody. Congratulations for this event. And to the contestants, we're all cheering for you. May the best team win. At sana yung manalo yung kolehiyo ng kung sino yung dean na nandito. Kaya i-message yun na yung mga dean ninyo. Thank you very much.